Hidden in the heart of Ondo State, Nigeria, lies one of Yoruba land's oldest and most respected kingdoms. Every year, this ancient city comes alive with color, tradition, music, and royal splendor. It is a celebration unlike any other. A festival that brings together sons and daughters of Ondo Kingdom from every corner of the world. This is Odun Oba, the King's Festival. For over 5 centuries, this royal celebration has honored the Osemawe, the paramount ruler of Ondo Kingdom, while preserving customs handed down from generation to generation. The festival also marks the beginning of a new year in the traditional Ondo calendar. Today, we journey into the rich history, sacred traditions, colorful ceremonies, and cultural significance of one of Nigeria's most remarkable royal festivals. Welcome to Odun Oba. Before understanding Odun Oba, we must first understand Ondo Kingdom itself. Ondo Kingdom traces its origin to the Yoruba cradle of civilization, Alife. According to oral history, Princess Pupupu, a twin daughter of Alafin Olweso of Oyo, migrated south after political disagreements. She eventually founded Ondo Kingdom. Unlike many Yoruba kingdoms that celebrate the deity believed to have founded their settlements, Ondo tradition emphasizes the human founder and the royal institution itself. This unique history shaped the creation of Odun Oba, also known as Odun Bami, the King's Festival. The king bears the title Osemawe, one of the most revered traditional rulers in Yoruba land. For centuries, the Osemawe has represented unity, justice, peace, cultural preservation, spiritual leadership. The palace remains the spiritual and cultural heartbeat of Ondo Kingdom. Odun Oba literally means the King's Festival. It is far more than entertainment. It is the annual renewal of the relationship between the king and his people. The celebration also serves as the traditional new year for the kingdom. During the festival, chiefs, district heads, olojas, and community leaders present gifts to the king and renew their loyalty. Families return home. Chiefs gather. Traditional institutions perform ancient rites. Preparation begins weeks before the festival. The palace announces the official date through a ceremony known as Dida Ojo Odun Oba. Markets become busy. Tailors sew traditional attire. Also, oak weavers work around the clock. Goldsmiths polish coral beads. Families renovate ancestral homes. Roads leading to the palace are decorated. Indigenes abroad begin arriving. Hotels become fully booked. The excitement grows each day. The streets become filled with traditional dancers, praise singers, talking drummers, hunters, chiefs, youth groups, women associations. Every family has a role to play. The most anticipated day arrives. Thousands line the streets. The royal drums begin. The Osemawe appears in magnificent traditional regalia. He wears richly embroidered oso oak, coral beads, and carries the symbolic horsetail known as the Arukara. Chiefs surround him. Praise singers chant royal poetry. Women dance. Children wave. Traditional gun salutes echo. The king greets his people as they respond with songs and blessings. Odun Oba remains relevant because it strengthens identity and preserves history. The festival protects Yoruba traditions, promotes tourism, encourages younger generations to learn their heritage, supports local businesses, reunites families from around the world. In many ways, it is comparable in cultural importance to other major royal festivals in Nigeria, while retaining customs unique to Ondo Kingdom. Odun Oba is more than a festival. It is history brought to life. It is the heartbeat of Ondo Kingdom. A celebration where royalty meets community, where culture meets identity, where the past continues to guide the future. As the drums fade and another traditional year begins, one truth remains unchanged. A kingdom that remembers its traditions preserves its future. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this documentary, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Until next time, keep celebrating culture, preserving history, and honoring the traditions that define who we are.